Welcome to 15-Min English Drive. I'm Leo.
And I'm Debbie. Today we dive straight into 12 essential words about at the gas station. Let's go.
My morning commute usually starts with coffee, but sometimes it starts with gas station confusion.
Okay, here's the challenge for everyone driving to work right now. We are going to test your English vocabulary.
Yes, we are going to play a game with words you hear at the gas station. Can you guess them faster than us?
You can shout out the answer in your car before we even say it. Don't worry, no one can hear you.
You'll hear us give some clues, and then we will try to guess the word. Debbie, are you ready to beat me?
I am always ready, Leo. You know I love words, and I was an English teacher. I think I have a good chance today.
That's true, you do love explaining things. But I drive a car every day, so I see these things more.
Well, I take the bus, so I see the gas stations from the outside. Maybe that gives me a different view.
Maybe. All right, listeners, let's play. I will quiz Debbie first for 3 words. Get ready to shout. Okay, first word for you, Debbie. Imagine you are driving and your car is almost empty. You need to stop at a place with many pumps and buy something for your car. What is this place called?
Okay, I see many of these on the road every day. Is it the gas station? Yes, that's right. GASSTATION. A gas station is a place where you buy gas for your car.
Oh, nice, you got it. I thought that one might be a little too easy for you. It's a common place.
My cat, Biscuit, always wants to look out the window when we pass a big gas station. She likes the lights.
That's funny. I stop at my gas station every Monday morning after my gym workout. It's part of my routine.
Remember, Leo, in the UK we often call it a petrol station instead. It means the same thing.
Okay, next one. This might be harder for you. No driving, Debbie. All right, second word. You are at the gas station now. You drive your car next to a tall machine. This machine has a long hose. You use it to put gas into your car. What is this machine called?
Ooh, I see these on your blue Honda all the time, Leo. It's the pump. Yes, it is the pump. P-U-M-P. A pump is the machine you use to put fuel into your car.
You got it again. I was hoping you would hesitate. You are too good at this game, Debbie.
I usually see people standing next to the pump when I'm on the bus. They always look a bit bored.
I know that feeling. I use the same pump almost every day because it's closest to my coffee shop.
A good tip for learners. Pump can also be a verb. You can pump gas into your car.
Okay, one more for you from me. Let's see if your teacher brain can get this one. Third word, this is what you put inside your car. It makes the car go. It is a liquid. We just used the word when we talked about the pump. What is this liquid called?
The liquid that makes the car go, is it fuel? That's right. F-U-E-L, fuel is what makes your car run, like food for your car.
Yes, you are on a roll, Debbie. 3 for 3. I need to make these harder for you.
Well, Leo, people don't drive cars in the UK with gas in them. We always use the word petrol.
Oh, that's true. We say gas in America. My sister Mia is learning Mandarin, and she struggles with words like that.
It is a common difference. Fuel is a safe word for everyone. It means both gas and petrol.
Okay, your turn to quiz me now, Debbie. I am ready for your teacher questions.
Right then, Leo. Your turn to guess. Imagine you're at the pump. You see different buttons for different kinds of fuel. You usually choose the one that is not super or diesel. It's the most common type of fuel for many cars. What is it called?
Oh, I know this one. I press this button every time. It's unleaded. Unleaded. Unleaded fuel is a common type of gasoline without lead in it.
Very good, Leo. You got that quickly. I thought you might think about it more.
Well, I get stuck in traffic so much. I have plenty of time to read the signs at the gas station. It's true.
My old secondary school students always asked why it had lead in the name. It's a type of metal.
Yeah, and most cars today need this kind. My Honda definitely needs unleaded fuel to run well.
Okay, next one for you, Leo. Focus now. This is an action. When your car's fuel tank is empty, you go to the gas station. You use the pump to put fuel in the car until it is completely full. What do you do to your car?
You do this. You make the car have enough fuel. You fill up? Yes, fill up. FILLUP. When you fill up, you put gas into the car until the tank is full.
That's spot on, Leo. I knew you would get that. It's something you do quite often, I imagine.
Oh, I fill up my car a few times a week because of my long commute. Traffic burns a lot of gas.
I always say to my students, a phrasal verb like fill up is 2 words but acts like one.
Yes, it's like wake up for my morning coffee. I need to fill up my car and then wake up with coffee.
All right, your last word from me, Leo. Let's see if you can get all 3. So you've just filled up your car. You've paid for the fuel. Now your tank is completely full, and you can drive for a long time without stopping again. What do you call your fuel tank now? It's not empty, it's...
Oh, I know this. You have a full tank. FULLTANK. A full tank means your car's gas tank is completely full of fuel.
Excellent, Leo. 3 out of 3 for you too. You are doing very well. You matched me.
Yes, a full tank is the best feeling. It means I don't have to stop at the gas station for a few days.
True. A full tank gives you peace of mind. It's a good feeling for long journeys too.
And it means I can just focus on the traffic, not stopping for fuel. That's a real win for me.
Okay. Your turn to quiz me again, Leo. I'm ready for the next 3 words.
All right, Debbie, word number 7. After you pay for your fuel, the machine prints a small piece of paper for you. This paper shows how much fuel you bought and how much money you paid. What is this paper called?
A small piece of paper from the machine. Is it a receipt? Yes, it's a receipt. RECEIPT. A receipt is a paper that shows proof of payment.
That's right. I always forget to take my receipt. My wallet is full of them anyway.
I always keep my receipts, especially for bigger purchases. It's useful if you need to return something.
My company needs my gas receipts for work expenses. Sometimes I find them crumpled in my car later.
The P in receipt is silent, Leo. That's a good spelling tip for our listeners. It can be tricky.
Okay, next word, Debbie. This one is about keeping your car clean. Imagine your car gets dirty from driving. There are bugs and dust on the front window. You need to clean this big piece of glass so you can see the road clearly. What is this glass called?
Ooh, the big piece of glass at the front of the car. It's the windshield. Yes, it is the windshield. Windshield. The windshield is the front window of a car.
You got it again. I was going to give you a harder clue next, but you were too fast.
I always think of the word shield like a protector. It protects you from the wind, you see.
That's true. Sometimes at gas stations, they have buckets of water and a squeegee to clean your windshield.
Yes, I've seen those. It's very helpful for drivers. I always wave at the drivers.
All right, last one for this round, Debbie. Are you ready for your final guess? Okay, final word for this set. You've been driving your car for a long time. It is very dirty, not just the windshield. You want to make the whole car clean and shiny. You can pay extra at the gas station for this special cleaning service. What is it called?
A service to clean the whole car. It's a car wash. That's correct. CARWASH. A car wash is a service that cleans the outside of your car.
You are unstoppable, Debbie. 3 for 3 again. I really need to try harder next time.
Sometimes the gas station car washes are automatic. You drive through them. They are fun to watch.
My blue Honda always looks great after a car wash. It feels good to have a clean car, you know.
A good way to remember this is that wash means to clean something with water.
Okay, your turn, Debbie. I need to catch up now. My pride is on the line.
Right then, Leo. This is your chance. We're going to talk about car maintenance. Your car has 4 round black parts. They make the car move on the road. Sometimes you need to check the air in these parts at the gas station. What are they?
Oh, I know this one. It's the tire. TIRE. A tire is a rubber ring on a wheel that helps your car move.
Yes, well done, Leo. You got that instantly. It's a very important part of the car.
I check my tires every 2 weeks. My gym friend told me it's important for safety.
In the UK, we spell it TYRE, but it's the same thing, of course. Don't let that confuse you.
That's true. It's like my coffee versus your Earl Grey tea, Debbie. Same idea, different words.
Okay, next one for you. This is also a part of your car. This is the most important part of your car, actually. It's under the hood. It makes the car run. If this part breaks, your car cannot move at all. What is this very big and important part called?
The big part under the hood. It's the engine. ENGINE. The engine is the part of the car that produces power to make it move.
Superb, Leo. You're getting good at this. The engine is the heart of the car.
My little sister Mia is learning to drive soon, and she's worried about understanding the engine. I told her it's okay.
It's good to know where your engine is. It helps with basic checks like the next word.
Okay, last one for me, Debbie. I really want to finish strong and match you.
Right, last word, Leo. This is a thick, slippery liquid. It helps your car's engine work smoothly. You need to check the level of this liquid often. You can buy more of it at the gas station if your car needs it. What is this liquid?
Oh, I change this in my Honda every few months. It's oil. OIL. Oil is a thick liquid that lubricates the moving parts of your car's engine.
Excellent, Leo. You got all 12 words. That was a perfect score for you.
Yes, you too, Debbie. We are both champions today. What did you get, listeners?
I bet many of you got all of them too. Some of these words are very common.
Let's do a quick lightning round, Debbie. I will say the word, and you give a quick definition.
Okay, I am ready. Let's go quickly.
Gas station,
A place to buy fuel for your car.
pump,
The machine that puts fuel into your car.
fuel,
The liquid that makes your car go.
unleaded,
A common type of fuel for many cars.
fill up,
To put fuel in your car until the tank is full.
full tank,
When your car's fuel tank is completely full.
receipt,
A paper that shows you paid for something.
windshield,
The big front window of a car.
car wash,
A service that cleans your car.
tire,
The round black part that helps your car move.
engine,
The part of the car that makes it run.
oil.
A liquid that helps the engine work smoothly. Wow, Leo, we did that so fast. I think our listeners probably got them all before us.
I think so too. You were really good, Debbie. You got them all right away.
And you too, Leo. Your car knowledge helped you out. We are quite a team, aren't we?
Yes, we are. You know, it's good to know these words for when you travel.
Definitely, especially when you are driving in a new country. It helps you feel confident.
It really does. All right, everyone. Thank you for playing with us today. I hope you had fun.
Yes, thank you for joining our 15-min English drive. You probably got more than you think.
That is the end of today's 15-minute English drive. Great work listening all the way through.
New episode every day. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss one. Keep practicing, and we will see you tomorrow. Safe drive.